Namaskaram and welcome to Krishna's collection. We are back after a long vacation, a very splendid vacation, a very memorable vacation, I'll say. And I hope all my viewers, all my followers must also have enjoyed their vacation period. Vacations होते ही उसके लिए है कि हम अपनों से मिले, थोड़ी मोमेंट्स क्रिएट करें. यही बचपन की चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज रहती है ऑफ दिवाली वेकेशंस या समर वेकेशन की. यही अपनी एक अलग खास दिल में हमारी जगह होती है. ठीक है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, क्विकली आई विल स्टार्ट विथ टुडेज कलेक्शन. जस्ट अ मिनट. So I was saying I'll quickly show you all the collection which we have got for all you beautiful ladies. This is the collection for my Ashadam sale, Ashad Mahina sale, or a beginning of the festival sale, we can say. A very beautiful collection, and this time we are starting with a very loving sari all the way from Kolkata. This sari is called as Tant sari in Kolkata. This is basically, the people who don't know, उनके लिए मैं बता देती हूँ. ये साड़ी कॉटन बाय सिल्क होती है. सिल्क की मात्रा इसमें कम होगी, कॉटन की मात्रा इसमें ज़्यादा होगी. एंड अ very low maintenance साड़ी, you can say a very good option for office wear people, and ऑप्ट साड़ी फॉर ऑल द लेडीज. एक तो साड़ी तात का या ये जो कोलकाता सोन का साड़ी होता है, दिस इज अ हैंडलूम साड़ी. सी इन कोलकाता दिस इज कॉल्ड अ स्वाम साड़ी. ओके, हैंडलूम स्वाम साड़ी, अ वेरी बेसिक एंड ट्रेडिशनल इसके डिज़ाइन और पैटर्न्स बनते हैं. समर्स के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन है. ऑफिस गोइंग लेडीज के लिए बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. वी हैव गॉट फ्यू पीसेज इन दिस. द साड़ी विच आई एम वेयरिंग, वी हैव मल्टीपल पीसेज इन दिस. You can have a look over the complete sari. See, the sari will be having a beautiful lotus and floral kind of paithani border at either side of the sari. At one side of the sari, and one side will be having a small sleek pink color border. This is all weaving and not any kind of print. You can see the back process of the sari as well. Okay, this is going to be the back process. The pallu of the saree is going to be running with nice partition of a stripe with beautiful tassels at the end of the saree. We also have a running blouse piece with this saree. I have paired up with my own personal blouse piece. You can stitch any kind of contrast blouse piece on this, or even the running blouse piece will look very beautiful on this saree. This saree being an Ashadam sale for you beautiful ladies, the price of this saree is going to be 999 free shipping throughout India. Okay, so the price of the saree is, yes, it is at very affordable prices. 999 free shipping throughout India. Many people like this saree to be starch करके भी पहनते हैं. किसी को soft अगर पसंद है तो you can just without starching also, without doing revive also, you can wear and pair up this with beautiful accessories. You can style yourself and look stunning and fab as you all look. Okay, so we have few colors in this. This is the first color of the saree, a beautiful nice mehndi green color with pink color contrast, and nice these are all thread buttas all over the saree. Entire saree के ऊपर thread buttas दिए होंगे. Okay, so the saree is going to be rich, elegant, yet very affordable. So I have got one more color, beautiful color in this. See, this is a very beautiful nice royal blue color with, again, the concept is going to be similar. इसका भी concept same होगा. So this is going to be the saree. Entire saree, I've opened this saree. Yeah, this saree has a little transparency, but it is, you can pleat it at one side. Pleating का ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप एक side भी उसे pleat छोड़ सकते हैं. But it is little, not very see-through, but little transparency. You can just see the transparency of this saree. Okay. So this is going to be the entire saree. A very beautiful blue color with nice pink color contrast, and this is the entire saree. I'll show you the blouse piece of the saree. One saree I'm going to open, and rest I'll show you the color like this. This is the running blouse piece of this saree. Okay, the saree blouse piece is going to be running. पूरा साड़ी ऐसा का ऐसा होगा with beautiful tassels. Home wash is okay for this saree, no problem at all for home wash. So this is going to be the look of the saree. Such a beautiful saree at just rupees 999. A very wow saree. This is going to be the look of the saree. A very beautiful color, beautiful fabric, yet very elegant saree. Okay, so this was second color, blue color. We have one more nice green color in this. See, this is going to be the saree. Border का change होगा थोड़ा, that this both were the lotus border. This the saree which I am wearing, it is with a nice paithani lotus border. You can see this, it is going to be like that. वो टीचर्स एंड स्कूल गोइंग, ऑफिस गोइंग लेडीज के लिए ये बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. एंड सी दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द थर्ड कलर, अ ब्यूटीफुल रामा ग्रीन कलर, डार्क रामा ग्रीन कलर, डार्क पीकॉक कलर कह सकते हैं आप इसे. आई हैव वन मोर पीस इन सेम कलर बट लिटिल डिफरेंट डिजाइन. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द थर्ड कलर ऑफ दिस collection, a beautiful dark rama green color. The price of the saree is going to be 999, free shipping throughout India. Okay, one more saree, but this saree, बाकी जो साड़ियाँ हैं इन सब में मीनाकारी किया हुआ है. You can just see with golden zari weaving. इसके ऊपर मीनाकारी किया हुआ है. You can see the thread weaving of blue, pink, yellow, green is there. But this saree, same fabric with a different concept, only zari weaving. That also, I think this is a copper zari weaving. A very beautiful saree. See, I was about to wear this saree. This is going to be the look of the saree. And even this has a running blouse piece and beautiful running pallu. All over saree के ऊपर beautiful से बूटा दिए हुए हैं. And this saree has same border at either side of the saree. This is going to be the saree. A very very beautiful saree. See, the price of the saree is going to be 999, free shipping throughout India. If any of the saree from today's video आपको पसंद आ रही है तो you can just take a screenshot and send it on our number, that is 9321118387. Okay, so this is for today's video. This much, like for today we have this many sarees for Ashadam sale at this 999 offer. Any of the saree, once again I'm repeating, any of the saree if you're liking, you can just take the screenshot and send it on our given WhatsApp number. And if till now you have not subscribed us या follow नहीं किया है तो I would request you on, please follow us, please subscribe us on our YouTube and Instagram channel, that is Krishna's Collection. The small आपके लिए छोटा सा काम है फॉलो करना या सब्सक्राइब करना, बट यू नो दिस विल मोटिवेट मी एज वेल एज माई टीम. हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है. वी बिकम वेरी हैप्पी इफ यू ऑल डू सच थिंग्स. यू नो साड़ियाँ खरीदे ना खरीदे वो अलग चीज़ें हैं, बट यू नो दुनिया में किसी के लिए आप कुछ भी करो ना, लाइक व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग नाउअडेज, जो इंसिडेंट हुए हैं पास्ट में. एक्चुअली अभी जस्ट इट केम इन माई माइंड द इंसिडेंट विच हैपेंड, द अहमदाबाद प्लेन क्रैश, या ऐसे कुछ भी छोटे मोटे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं. तो what we are taking with us, nothing. You know, we are here, our soul, बस सोल जाता है, कुछ नहीं रहता. एवरीथिंग इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. पैसा हो या कुछ भी हो, इवन जो हम कमाते हैं वो है लोगों का प्यार, अपने लोगों की दुआएं, वही हमें साथ में ले जाना है. तो वही हम चाहते हैं आपसे. सभी से एक बार फिर से कहूँगी, अगर साड़ियाँ लेना है नहीं लेना है, दैट इज़ अप टू यू, बट एटलीस्ट सब्सक्राइब अस, एटलीस्ट फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब चैनल. दैट्स इट. स्टे ट्यून विद कृष्णा's collection. नमस्कारम.